I'm filming. And that's for loading the plate in and out of it?
Unloading when you have a full range.
Okay. And how thick a material do you roll with it?
This will do 3/4 inch by 10 foot wide.
3/4 inch by 10 foot wide. Anything else you can tell me about it?
It has coning. We have you can cant up one side of each roll, so you can roll conical deals.
These are the travels?
Digital readouts work.
Those are the travels?
Yes.
Can you take it up to max? I assume it's the same for both sides?
Same for both sides, yeah. It just goes slower when you're on both. I run one at a time. It travels in inches. So about pinch and closed. That's closed.
So that's max right there?
Max travel there.
And then take it back down? Oh, and this is when you're moving the whole roll?
That's the whole roll. And then, yeah, like I said, it has the coning where we can go one side down, the other side stays stationary.
Right. That's what it's doing now?
Yeah, we're just rolling this one side down, the other side staying up.
Yeah.
And then we can run the other side down also.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Now you're moving this one.
Moving this guy down all the way. Like that, and then roll.
You can go both directions. Yeah.